Okay. So today we are going to understand about the lifeline and the destiny line. What exactly lifeline predicts about the things. So where exactly the lifeline is. So this is the lifeline. So lifeline will tell about your life forces, about your passion, about your vitality, the energy. It will not tell you about your lifespan because palmistries fail to exactly tell you the date when the death is going to happen. But this will tell about the quality of your life. So if there is a break, all the paleness here, like if there is a break in between the lifeline, like this, in between, or there is a cross here, any type of break, cross, or any type of paleness, like this particular lifeline is a very lighter one, like this, not so darker. That means that the person will be always low on energy and the energy will not be so high. So vitality will be less in the life force will be less, and the person will be less passionate also. Means very dull, very low on energy, not so much of passion in the life. Along with the lifeline, you need to check the headline and the heartline also to predict exactly about the life, that is a person passionate or the person has less on energy, no passion, no goals, no vision in life, just dependent upon others. If the lifeline is a weaker one, because if the lifeline is weaker one, then the person can't be independent person, will always dependent upon someone for their needs, or maybe blame someone for their needs. The second is the fate line, which we have already discussed. Not necessary that every other person have a fate line. So fate line is like this. Sometimes people have a blur fate line. Sometimes fate line come after the age of 24. Sometimes it is coming after the age of 35. Totally depending upon you how good your destiny is or how good your fate is. So this fate line is going to describe about your control, your destiny. What is the sense of your purpose? Will you be a career oriented in your life, or will not be a career oriented in the life? Will you be dependent upon others, or you are influenced by the others, or you are a self driven person? So if you will find a very clear fate line, that means most of the time a person will be in their own business. They will not work under someone. And the same way, if there is no fate line or there is a break in the fate line, then the person may be working under someone. Maybe the person will be in the job. This also indicates your career approach. Are you focused on your career, or you are carefree in your career? Are you a career oriented guy, or you are not a career oriented person? So both line interact. Sometimes these both line interact with each other. So this is a lifeline and this is a fate line. Sometimes these both lines interact with either. Or let's say somebody have a clear lifeline and somebody have a clear fate line. There is no break, there is no cut. That means the life quality will be very good. Career wise, the person will be very good, a very successful one. Energy will be there, passion will be there, will do something big in the life. When the lifeline is a broader one, so if you will check a different lifeline, as much as broad the lifeline is, as much as a broad this area is, that means that the person will be more energetic, more passionate, want to do something big in the life. And as much as the round area is there, means there is a gap, that means a person will be have a good Venus planet, will have a good quality life true, and there will be the positive energy as well as a positivity in the life. The person will all try to always think positive in the life. If this particular line is a very uh, stronger one means, like when you see this line, this looks like a very stronger one, no break, no cut, and it is a plain circle going around. That means the line is a very stronger one. Again, the person will be very positive, strong vitality, high on energy. So the person will get the overall life will be a good quality life, and things will start becoming better for this person as compared to the other person. Those lifeline is not a good one. As wider the curve is, as seen in the picture, as wider the curve is, more space here. That means that there will be the more stamina, and the person will be a very adventurous one. Want to enjoy the life, want to travel, have a good passion also. Second lifeline is like there is a less space like this. Very small space is there, and it is starting from the thumb. Less space, that means low on energy always, need to rebalance, always sleeping or always tired, body is not so good, health is not so good, there is no energy in the body. If the less space is there in the lifeline, this also reflects your passion also, how much passionate you are in the life, how much energy you have, how much you want to enjoy the life. More the lifeline, more the curve, the person want to enjoy the life, want to travel, and will not only want to enjoy the life on the others, like the person will not dependent upon others to enjoy the life. The person will do something by their own, so they want to enjoy the life. They will be a very passionate person, will be a career oriented, will be a passionate person, and always will be on high on energy and the joyful. So that means that the person is carrying some positive energies from the past life. If there is lot of, like if you will see under this lifeline, there is lot of cross and checks, anyhow checks will be there. So there are some, there you will notice there are four vertical line, there are horizontal line, and the lines like this inside this area. More the lines here, that means again it will make this area weaken, and then the person will be stress overthinking more the line. So you will try to notice, whenever you will more into stress, you will notice more lines here on this area. You will less in stress, this area will be clean. More lines on this area indicate that the life will not be so great. No quality life, Venus will not be so great. Less lines here, like very blur line like this. Not so clear, not so checks, not so much of checks. That means that the life will be a easier one, and you will be able to get things very easy in the life. Anyhow, lines will be there. As much as less line will be there, then the person will be more successful. More line, problems in the life. If you have a problem of overthinking, stress, anxiety, or any time if this happened, you will notice more lines here on this area. If your mind is clear, there is no thought, you always think positive in your life, you will notice that this is also called as a Venus mount. So this mount will start becoming clear, less lines will be noticed here. And whenever you are in the stress, you will notice more lines and more darker lines here. As much as darker lines, problem is there, more blur line. And this lines is good, like if you have a horizon, if you have lines like this, it is good. But if it is like this crossing each other, that is a problem. That means that the Venus mount is not so great, you will not get things so easily in the life, and the person will be a overthinker too. If this particular lifeline is a long one and the broad one, like it is a proper lifeline like this, it's a long one, as well as the gap between the two is a very high. Both the factors are present in the lifeline, that means a person will be the achiever, will do something big in the life. If the line is a unbroken and smooth, means there is no break in this line, and the line goes smooth, no cross, no cut, nothing, and this line is going smooth, that means that the person will be having fewer challenges in the line, fewer challenges in the life, and the life will go very smooth. A little bit of ups and downs will come, otherwise the life will go without challenges, means very fewer challenges will come with very fewer challenges. The next is, if there is a straight close to the edge like this, lifeline is not a curved one, lifeline is going like this, straight line, not like a curve, but lifeline is like a straight line. These people need to be very much conscious in the life as well as in the relationship. So they may get problems in the relationship, they may face issues in the life, as well as they need to be conscious in the life related to the health issues also. If the lifeline is starting from the Jupiter area, so this is a Jupiter mount, and the lifeline is exactly starting from this, that means that the person will be a very ambitious one, knowledge, wisdom, ambitions, and the good luck too. If the lifeline is starting from the thumb, as closer to the thumb, let's say it is starting from here, person will not be a responsible person, will be a very easygoing person, or we can say will not take things so, uh, will not take the responsibility of anything. Laparwa, like, will not be so serious in the work. If it is close to the thumb, if it is becoming more closer to the thumb, like this, like a very small lifeline, or like this, there is a lifeline. As much as closer to the lifeline, that means prone to stress and tiredness in the life. Always low on energy, no good quality of life. Always feel low on energy and will be very much tired in life. If this goes like very sharp, like this, a very sharp lifeline, like a very sharp, from when it ends like this, it goes very sharp. That means that the person will do something big in the life that will give a new directions to other people as well as to their life and the family. If there is a breaks in the lifeline, let's say there is a break in the lifeline like this, and again there is a break, or there is a cross which is coming in between, that means that the person is going to face a problem in the life. But like this path of life, the person will going good, then there is a problem, then again transformation will happen, and then again the person will grow. So this will be the break point, or we can say this is a point where the transformation is going to happen in the life. So this is a transformation. If the break is upward, like a break is there upward, in the upward direction there is a break, and then down the line things are okay. Like there, here the break is happening, and afterward things are good. So what do you say, that in the childhood the person is going to face the problem, or after this break again the transformation will happen, and the person will do something big in the life. So as closer it, so you can see this is your childhood, and this one is going moving ahead will become your old age. So wherever it is happening, you can take a side that this is the age where the person is going to face the problem in the life. So this is a very beautiful line. Hopefully you guys should have this line. So this is called the universal line. So this is a lifeline, and there is one lifeline which go. There is again a line which is coming from this, like this. This is called the universal line, and this is called this. This comes when you do some good karmas in your life. This is called that whenever you face problem in your life, then universe will always there to support you. So this is also called as a universal line. Means any type of problem you face in your career, in your finances, or any type of problem you will face in your life, universe will always help you to protect you. This is also called as a universal line. Sometimes it is also called as a sister line because parallelly they are moving. That means this is a line of a good fortune. This is a line of whenever you face a problem in your life, universe will protect you. So this line shows that there is a bonus you are having from the universe side, and universe will always protect you. This particular line keep on coming, keep on going on the basis of your karmas, what you do in the life. If you do some good karmas in your life, your thoughts are very clear, you do some good karmas, gradually and slowly you will observe this line will started creating on your palm, and this is called the universal line. So you can compare it on your left palm as well as the right palm. If in the left palm you have this line, that means that you have a very good birth chart, you have a very stronger birth chart. If you face any problem in your life, universe will always there to support you. In the right palm you are finding this line is creating or under creation, like it is blur or it is clear. That shows that the universe will always bless you. If you will be stuck in your life, there is a blessing of the universe. So this line is also called as a sister line, this line is also called as a universal line. Clear? The next is as deep this lifeline is. Deep means this line is pure red in color or brown in color. That shows that the person is having a strong emotion and a very passionate person, will like to do something big in the life. If this is dark red color line or a brown color line, means the color is clearly seen on the palm. It's not a blur one, it's not a pale one, it's not a break one. It is a clear brown or the red color line. That means that the person is very passionate about the life, person is very expressive in life and will be enjoying a good quality life. On the other hand, if this particular line is a pale one, like is a blur one, like not so sharp like this, a very blur one, it's not even clearly visible or visible very less, that means the person will be a very reserved one, will not able to share their feelings to others, and will not be so energetic and passionate in the life too. If this line is a short one, if the lifeline is a short lifeline, it is not a big curve, it is a very short lifeline, that shows that the person will be easily influenced by others. If there is a chained lifeline, like this, if it is a chain, there is a break, and then again like this, so wavy line or a chain line, then the person will be very confused in life, lot of choices will be there, no clarity of mind, no clarity of life, where they are going, what they want in their life, what is their passion of their life, what they are doing, no goals, no vision in life, and they are always confused among more options or the more choices in the life. Let's say if there is a fold which is coming on the lifeline. So this is a lifeline, and then like this. So you will notice when the lifeline is ending, then there is any type of fork which is happening. This shows that the person has a very scattered energy. Scattered means multitasker. Sometimes this, sometimes that. Not again have a clarity in the mind. Always scattered here and there. What to do, what not to do. Always confused. And the energies, they have a scattered energy. They are channelizing their energies in a multiple way, which is not a right way of living this life. So whatever you are doing, try to focus on. So here the focus will be missing, energies will be very scattered. If the person has a double lifeline, like this lifeline, again a parallelly one lifeline is going, not exactly the same size, but let's say like this, a double lifeline, that means that you are going to find your soulmate, you are going to find your love also in your life. So soulmate, love, you are going to find. If there is a very short lifeline and joining fate line, let's say a person has a lifeline, a very short lifeline, it can be till here or till here, and the fate line is joining here, like this. Major external changing can bring the big opportunities. That means that the transformation is going to happen in the life. Sudden event will happen in the life. After the transformation, the person is going to do something big in the life. If anyone knows astrology here, so this is actually connected to your eighth house. So any events happening in your life after the transformation, the success is going to happen. If such type of lining you are finding, like lifeline is a small one or going like this, and the fate line is a clear one touching the lifeline, that means that the transformation is going to happen in the life, and then from here the person will grow, will get a huge success in life. So this particular line shows, so as this pattern shown in the picture, this shows major external changes in the life, maybe mishappening in the life, events happening in the life. After that events happening in the life, the person is going to be a very, can bring a big opportunities in the life, can do something big in the life. Or we can say hard time, through the hard time the person is going to get the opportunity, and luck will be their side. Clear? The next is, if there is a lifeline and the branches are coming from the lifeline. Let's say any branch which is going towards the heart line, that means a person is going to get success in the love. Any branch coming from this touching your fate line, that means that the person is going to get success in the money. So any branches coming from this and touching these line, or headline, touching the headline, that means with a logical mind the person is going to do something big. So any branches coming from the lifeline touching the fate line, that means the person is going to get success money wise. touching the love line, touching the heart line, that means the person is going to get the success love wise, and overall success the person is going to get if it is touching the headline, means the person is going to do something big by their logical mind. Okay. The next is fate line, also called as a destiny line. So how the fate line moves from? So ideally, the fate lines move vertically up towards the Saturn mount. So this is a Saturn mount. How the fate line move? Fate line moves from here to here. So from the bottom of the palm, it moves vertically towards the Saturn mount, or you can say the middle finger. So this particular line, sometime actual the placement of this line is like this, but sometime it start anywhere near the base or end under the finger also. Sometime it start, for some people it start like this, for some people it is like this, depending upon their luck or depending upon their destiny. If the clear fate line is there, that means the person will be the lucky one. If the fate line is a faint one, like a very blur, or there is a break, then again there is a up and down the person is going to face in the career, luck wise the person is going to face a up and down in the career. If the person, if this line is a curved one, not the straight one, going like this and then like this, again the person is going to face up and down in the line. So if the fate line is not a clear one, that means that the person is very much influenced by external factors, by others. They are very much influenced by others. On the other hand, if the fate line is a straight one without break, then the person will do something big in the career, like this, no break, no cut, no cross. Person will do something big in the career, and the person will be very focused. Whatever the person will decide in the life, will stick to that and will do something big in the life. If this fate line is a wavy one, like this, like this. If the straight line is a wavy one, that means always keep on exploring new options, changing the career path, sometime doing something, then doing something. So always exploring the different path in the career, or always exploring the different path money wise. The second is a very lucky line, that is a fate line. So like fate line is like this. Let's say fate line is break. But there is one line which is coming from the sun mount and touching your fate line. Then this will nullify the bad effect of the break fate line. Clear? Hai? So when this is a sun mount, again understand this. It is a very important line. A lot of people have this. Let's say somebody fate line is break. Okay. So you will predict that there is a problem in the career, or there is a problem in the destiny, or there is a problem in the fate. But this will be nullified and will become positive. So this is a sun mount. If any line coming from the sun mount and touching the fate line from anywhere, it can touch from here, it can touch from here, going like this, any line coming from the sun mount and touching your fate line, it nullifies the bad effect of the break fate line. Again the person will be lucky, person will do something big in the life. If the sun line or the Apollo line, which is one of the same thing, is touching the fate line and the fate line is a break one, again the person will be able to overcome any kind of challenges in the life. So now you see, sometimes people have a fate line in a very early age. So fate line appear in the late age, like let's say it is appearing. So fate line keep on appearing on the basis of your destiny, as it is connected to the Saturn. Again, on the basis of your karma, what you have done in the past life and in this life. So let's say someone's fate line is making clear in the age of 20s or 30s place. That means that the person is going to start getting stability in the career in this particular age. If this crosses the headline, which we have already leased last time, let's say the fate line has crossed the headline. That means the person is going to get the success after the age of 35. So this is after the age of 35 and above. And this is below the 35 age. So this particular fate line. Early appearances, early career clarity. Let's say a person at the teenage having a clear fate line. That means in the early age, career clarity will be there. Person is going to get the career success also. If the person have a clear fate line, no break, no cross, no cut, and the fate line is clear, it is a deep, it is prompt fate line, like it is a brown in color and it is easily visible on your palm. That means again you are the lucky one and you are guided by the destiny. Universe will always guide you and auto you will reach to your destiny, you will reach to your positive destiny. Or you can say आपकी जो fate line है, always your luck will be your side. Whatever will happen in your life, you will find your passion and you will reach to your destiny. If this particular line is joined to the lifeline in any ways, like it is joined in such a way, like auto it is joined like this is a lifeline, and the fate line is coming like this, then auto it is joined. That means again this person will be a self-made future. Person will not be dependent upon their ancestors property or money. They will do something big in the life by self-made. On the other hand, this is a lifeline, this is a fate line. There is a line branch coming from here and touching the fate line. That means again the person will be the self-made future. That person can create their own future by their own. If this particular fate line is starting from the base and going towards the Jupiter mount in any ways, let's say fate line is starting from here and there is one line, branch line coming from here, reaching to the fate line, reaching to the Jupiter mount. That means that the person will be going to get name, fame, success, career path will be clear, luck will be their side. Or in any way, second scenario is fate line is coming like this, moving towards the Jupiter mount. Or not necessary going like this, or it can go like this also. Anyways, fate line is moving towards the Jupiter mount. The person is going to get name, fame, success, and the career path will be clear. Career wise, the person is going to get success in the life. On the other hand, if there is a pale, like if the fate line is a blur one, or if this is a wavy one, uncertainty in life, easily influenced by others, uncertainty in the career, career wise, person is going to face a lot of ups and downs. If the person is having a change in the, there is a break in the fate line, broken fate line. Let's say fate line is like going like this and then again there is a break like this, then the person may change their career or there will be the loss of motivation. So there is a break, so person will not be so motivated in life, or the person may try to change their career also, like they may try to explore something new, they may try to change their career, totally they want to change their profile too. If there is a broken or overlapping fate line like this, there is a two fate line, one fate line like this, and there again a different fate line coming from this. That means that the person hobby is going to convert into the career, and with their own hobby, with their passion, they can do something big in life. If the person central with a break, if there is a break in the center of your fate line like this, so this is a center from the headline, the center of the fate line is decided, then the person is going to face an obstacle in the life. The person is going to face a lot of obstacles in the career, maybe change the career, but later in the path, if this particular line is clear, later in the path, if this line is clear or there is a fork like this, that means that the person will do again big after the transformation, after the break. If the person will be if the person's lifeline and the fate line are touching to each other through any branch, which we have already discussed, through any branch, any small branch, fate line going like this, any through any branch also it is interconnected. That means the person will be having a balanced view and will be very determined in the life. Whatever they decide, they will get it. If there is a long link lifeline, Like there is a long link lifeline means there are multiple line which is coming from here and again connecting to the fate line. That means strong family ties as well as the person will be able to fulfill all the responsibilities of the life towards their family. If away from the lifeline, if this is away from the lifeline, no branches connecting to the lifeline, no branches, and both the lifeline as well as the fate line are the clear one. That means that the person is will be independent since the early life. Since their childhood, the person will be independent, not dependent upon their family for the money, will do something big in the life by their own. Let's say somebody's fate line is missing, no fate line. Lot of time you will see there is no fate line, strong karmic influence, and this person will face a lot of problem in the life but can shape the present life. If there is no fate line present on the palm, still the person can make their present life while working on the present life. They can create the fate line while doing the good karmas. So if there is a no fate line, that means there is a karmic influence in the life, strong karmic influence in the life. Person will not get things so easily in the life, but still presenting, still if you are working on your present self, still you are working on your present self, you are working on your mindset, you are working on your karmas very consciously, then you can also create the sharp fate line. Lot of time you will observe people have a fate line in their left palm but no fate line on their right palm. That means in this life they have done something bad or the bad karma due to which that fate line disappear. Sometimes you will observe there is no fate line on the left palm but there is a fate line, clear fate line in the right palm. That means you must be doing something good in this life. If this particular fate line is faint, very faint, you are not able to find even easily uh, this fate line, that means that the person will be having an unstable career, lot of pressure in the career, and lot of break the person is going to find in the career, will be going to face lot of problems in the life. Let's say somebody have a folk lifeline, a fate line, so like this folk, that means two possible life paths. Person is may get some, like sometime the person may get go through a lot of negative things in the life, but there will be the positive things also going to happen because this is also known as a trishul. So this is a positive line on your palm. Again you can do something big in your life after the transformation. If the line is a strong and unwavering without no cut, no cross, and this is a strong line, that means there will be high family influence, you will be a responsible person, and the person is going to get lot of success in the life. The person will be a success driven, will be going to get lot of success in the life. If the fate line is connecting to the Venus mount, like this fate line moving towards towards the Venus mount, person will be very family influence. In that case the person is going to get the support from the family. From the family side, person is going to get support of the money, you will get the ancestor property, or there will be the high family influence in the life because now Venus mount, now fate line is crossing your Venus mount, crossing your lifeline and turning into the Venus mount. If there is a beginning on the moon mount, if the fate line is starting like this is a moon mount, and it is starting from the beginning of the moon mount, then the person will be a very good manifester, self driven dreamer, we can say. Person can do by their dreams, they have a big dreams in life, or they can manifest something positive in life because manifestation is also connected to the Saturn. So this shows that with their imagination, with their good mindset, or the high high on manifestation power, they can do something big in life, or they can manifest their life very positively if the fate line is starting from here. Like if you talk about in your birth chart, so people with the moon in the Aquarius, they can dream big and they can manifest their life easily. If this particular ending on the heart line, if somebody's fate line is ending on the heart line, so this is a heart line and it is ending on the heart line, it is not moving forward. Career sacrifice because of the loved one or the quality life. So now, because of the love life, the person is going to face problem in the career too. Maybe like partner will not be so supportive, will face lot of problem in the love relationship, due to which the career wise also person is going to suffer. So career sacrifice because of the love life or the quality life, or we can say something happened in the life, something happened in the love life, due to which the career is also going to suffer. So if the fate line is going to end on the heart line, if it is ending on the headline. Second scenario is if it is ending on the headline. So this is a headline and the fate line is like this. It is ending on the headline, then the career fixed by the midlife, and there may be the possibility of the burnout, there may be the possibility of the break in the career, or till date you are getting the success, but afterward you have to put a lot of hard work if there is no fate line here, or there is a change in the career, or you are focusing on the change in the career. Possibility of the change is also there. Again, you are starting from zero. Again, you are doing something or starting some new career, because from here it is ending. That is the age till 35. If the fate line is ending on the Jupiter mount, this is a fate line and it is ending on the Jupiter mount. This is a Jupiter mount. It is ending here. That means that the person will be good in politics, can become a good politician, good in any type of profession like law, will be a good teacher also, will have a good leadership quality. Again, luck will be their side. If it is ending purely on the Saturn mount, like the straight one, actual position of the fate line, going straight, ending on the Saturn mount, then the person is going to get stable career, will get the success in the career, and the career will always be stable. These people will never ever face scarcity of money in their life. If it extend the Saturn finger, let's say the fate line is moving like this and it's extend the Saturn finger, going above the Saturn finger, this particular line, it is going to explain a very strong destiny. The person is going to have a very strong destiny, very strong luck, and the person has have a very good psychic ability, as well as this person is going to get lot of material success in the life. Very few people have this sign. Saturn fate line crossing the Saturn line. If the fate line is ending on the Sun mount, also called as Apollo mount, like this. If it is ending here, then the person will be a very creative one, good in imagination, good in arts, or you can say that from the past life, a person is carrying like by birth creativity, or by birth, a person is carrying some talent in the life. If it is crossing to the Mercury finger, if fate line is crossing towards a Mercury finger, it can cross like this, or let's say this is a fate line and there is one line coming from the fate line and it is going towards the Mercury moon, like this also. This shows a person is going to get lot of success in the business, good in communication, very good money wise. Money wise, person is very good, very successful person, good in communication, can do something big in media also. If the person have a double fate line, it can be a small double fate line also, or a parallel line like a double fate line going like this. Then the person is having a dual career path, multiple income, multiple sources of income, we can say, huge business, very versatile, will do something again big in business wise, will do something big in the career wise. Any question?